Hey everybody, so today I want to talk about how I do my eyeshadows. It was requested by a few people, so I'm using Addiction Palette 1 today. So it's all these neutral colors. Sorry, I should clean this up. Okay, so it's a lot of neutral colors, and this is one that I would do often. I just really like all these colors. So what I did first was put the Glorious Primer on my face to fill in any holes and imperfections for later when I do my foundation. I like to do my eyes first because if anything gets, onto my skin, I could just wipe it away before I do my foundation. That's a little trick I learned. I was just looking for my eye primer because I also put that on my eyes. Okay, sorry, here it is. So here's the eye primer. So I put a little drop and I rubbed it into my eyes ready to help the eyeshadows stay and to give them their true color. So the three brushes that I use are the this one, the angled shadow and sponge brush, and I use usually the sponge brush to put on my first coat on the lid. Then I use the crease brush usually to do in the crease to blend it, and then the deluxe brush for up top. That's just how I do it, but I'm going to show you. Okay, so first we're gonna take Swanky. I'm gonna do Swanky. I usually do like a neutral color on the bottom, on the lid, either Swanky or Sincere. So I'll usually do one of those. We'll do Swanky today. And I'm gonna have to use a mirror, guys. Let's see, get some more Swanky on there. And we're gonna do it right on the lid. So see, we're gonna do it right on the lid. So simple enough, see? We're gonna do some on the other eye. So, like I said, I like using the sponge brush to apply the shadow on the lid. And then next we're gonna pick a darker color for the crease. I'm gonna show you which one we're gonna do for the crease today. Usually I do Chipper. I like to do Chipper in the crease, and then Forthright or Zealous like on the outer crease. So I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna take the crease brush, this one, make sure there's nothing on there. We'll wash that off later. Okay, so I'm going to take Chipper, which is this middle one right here. So it's lighter than these two, but it's darker than my bottom color. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to start not all the way to the inner corner, but kind of midway to this section. I'm gonna do like a windshield wiper. See? And don't worry, we're gonna blend this all in. It's not gonna look so scary. Right now it looks scary. So we're gonna do that on this side. So we're gonna start kind of midway to the edge. And we just blend. We do a windshield wiper. Wax on, wax off. And that's what we do. Then what I like to do is to do circular motions to blend it even more. So I like to do circles. See how it's blending more? And then you could do the windshield wiper too. But I really feel that those circular motions really help. Sorry. Can't really see with this lighting. Ugh. Next time maybe I'll do it in my natural lighting by the window. So I'm doing those circular motions, and I'm also doing the windshield wiper. So that's what I kind of did there. And then what we're gonna do, then what I like to do is I like to do the top next and then do the sides, you'll see. Okay, so then I'm gonna take Elated, which is a nice light color. And then I'm gonna go up top to kind of blend up top with the second color. So just kind of blend that in. And then I'm gonna do that with the other eye. So I'm gonna take it like that. And if it's not to your liking, I mean, blending is your friend, and I learned that. And I was afraid for the longest time to try, you know, palettes and stuff. Once I joined the company and we came out with these wonderful products, you know, I learned. You know, I watched videos and stuff, and I learned, and it's actually fun. So that's what I do. Then what I usually do is I throw on, in the outer corner, a darker color. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm going to post pictures as well. So I take the sponge angled brush, and I'll usually do forthright. And it's going to look scary at first, okay? But we blend it. Never worry. So I put it here and here, kind of make like a V. See, it looks scary at first, right? But we blend, don't worry. Sorry if I'm right in the way. This is really scary. And what we're going to do is we're going to blend that, especially this one. I went a little cray. So I'm going to take my crease brush again, and I'm going to kind of make a V in this corner here. Kind of make a V and go kind of back and forth. See? I'm going to do the same here and kind of do a V like that. And if you need more, you add more. So that's, I mean, it takes time to really, to get it. And I'm not perfect at it, but I kind of play with it. I think I'm going to add a little bit more. And I mean, you just play with it. You know, and then I'll just blend it. Oh, yeah, that happened. Sorry, guys, I'm telling you. Oh, my goodness. My goodness gracious. I'm crooked. Well, okay, now we blend. See? And that's it, guys. And you can, you know, you can do whatever you want. You could even take more of the Elated and blend more, because you want it all blended together nicely. Sorry this is so long. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys pictures too. I'm gonna show you guys pictures of the final product. All right, guys, thanks for sticking with me. Even though, yeah, this is a little bit of a mess, but pictures to follow with the rest of my face done. Bye.